SEO copywriting, how to add a title. Once we open our new page, post, whatever we're doing here, we're going to create a title. Typically, a good title is going to be around 10 words or about 70 characters. If we go too many characters, it cuts off. If we have too few characters, we're not taking advantage of one of the top items, SEO items for on-page SEO. So using your keyword towards the front of the title is a best practice. Yet we also want to create a title that is appealing to the audience. In this case, we'll go ahead and use a hyperlocal blog post as an example for this series training. So whatever you're building here, consider your keyword. So in my case, we've got a blog post that's here that's about a local water park in Henderson, which is a city next to Las Vegas. It's in the greater Las Vegas area. And so what I'm targeting is somebody that might search Cowabunga Bay, they might search water park, they might search Las Vegas water parks. Now, I always encourage that we really focus on one primary keyword. What is this page really about? It's really about Cowabunga Bay. Everything after that is there as a secondary. So in our case, we would go to the title and we would type in Cowabunga Bay Water Park, and then I might add Las Vegas water parks as a secondary. And potentially I'm building a series of the water parks that are all going to go under a parent page called Las Vegas Water Park. So that would be a good reason to have that added in there. And you could, if you're a great wordsmith and you're really good at your titles, and you can change and be catchy. Now here's something else that you can do. You can actually have one title for your main page, and you can have a different title for your for the search engine. So in our case here, we've got our title. So maybe you want to put something like Splish Splash the Day Away. Splish Splash Slide the Day Away, or something like that, right? So that could be your title, because then you're gonna, when you share on social, that's going to be your title. You could do something like that if you wanted to. And then down here, with the Yoast plugin, we can change it here to be for the search engines. Cowabunga Bay, Las Vegas water parks. And maybe I'll just let them know that it's technically in Henderson, and I'll put that little map right there. Okay. So you can have two different ones. So if you're great at titles, go ahead and change the main title to something more catchy, as long as the SEO title here is correct. That's the main thing we really want to make sure of that we do. So that is how you create the title when you're doing SEO copywriting for a blog post.